Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a memory upgrade that can breathe new life into your Dell Vostro desktop. Specifically, we're looking at the ATEC 32GB DDR4 RAM module, designed for the Vostro 3681 SFF, 3,888 metric tons, and 5,880 models. If you've been experiencing sluggish performance, slow loading times, or just an overall lack of responsiveness from your Vostro, this RAM upgrade might be the solution you've been searching for. This is a single 32GB module, operating at a speedy 3,200 MHz. That translates to a PC4-25600 rating, ensuring it can handle demanding tasks with ease. The ATEC module is a DDR4 DMM, featuring the standard 288-pin configuration. It's also non-ECC unbuffered memory, operating at the standard DDR4 voltage of 1.2V. This is important because it ensures compatibility with your Vostro's existing hardware and power supply. One of the biggest benefits of upgrading your RAM is the immediate improvement in system performance. By expanding your system's memory capacity, you're allowing it to handle more data simultaneously. This means smoother multitasking, faster application loading, and an overall more responsive computing experience. Whether you're editing videos, working with large spreadsheets, or running multiple applications at once, this upgrade can make a noticeable difference. Installation is designed to be quick and easy, something you can do at home without needing any specialized expertise. ATEC designs it for user-friendliness. Of course, it's always a good idea to consult your system's manual for specific instructions on seating and channel configurations. ATEC puts these memory modules through rigorous quality control testing. This ensures dependable and reliable performance. It gives peace of mind knowing that you're investing in a product that's built to last. Finally, the ATEC module is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. ATEC also has a knowledgeable tech team available to assist you before and after your purchase. This level of support is invaluable, especially if you're new to upgrading computer hardware. If you're looking for a reliable and effective way to boost the performance of your Dell Vostro, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 RAM module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.